Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Here we have Philips Air Purifier, and now I'm going to show you how to connect this purifier, this device, to mobile application. Firstly, you need to open the App Store and download and open Philips Air Plus application. Then you need to click Add Device. Let's start. Then click Next. After that, you need to enable your air purifier and press and hold together power and lamp buttons. You need to press them together and click Connect another device. Your Wi-Fi button, your Wi-Fi logo on your Philips screen will blinking, and then it will see Air Plus wants to join Wi-Fi network Philips setup. Click Join. Then wait a while. And now you need to add Wi-Fi password. You need to enter your Wi-Fi password to connect your purifier to the Wi-Fi network. Cool. Then just click Next. It's cool, that's it. Now you can add it to kitchen, bedroom, office or another room. Click Next. OK. And it's cool. As you can see now, among my devices, you'll see your office air purifier or, I don't know, bedroom air purifier. And cool, so that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.